Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Provisions to Include in Your Writing Contract, Part 4. The scope of work is your project's compass. It guides you and the client through the project. Here, you outline what exactly you're doing. Manage WordPress site, writing blogs, maintain SEO, managing social media, posting on Facebook and X, whatever it is, spell it out. But don't forget to set boundaries. For example, I'll try to engage with followers, but I won't handle sensitive or complicated customer service or technical support. The more vague your scope, the more likely you'll get scope creep. And trust me, that's a headache. In the next video, I'll talk about how and when you deliver your work. So stay tuned. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.